Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here back again with another recap. Today was insane. CPI was great, and the market pumped like ever before. How much points? It was like 500 points, I think we went up. I think it was like 5%. I saw 490. So, yeah, almost, yeah, 400 points nearly, which is insane. So, I was able to, get in and out and pretty volatile. So, I was able to capitalize. You know what I mean? I wish I had my um, funded accounts. It would have been great. But yeah, the past mistakes really messed me up. And, I didn't have those accounts. Or, these type of days could have really or profitized. I don't know, capitalized. There we go, capitalized on a day like this. Um, yeah, main trades that I took was a bounce play. A little bit after open, I didn't want to trade. I wanted to see what happened, which was good. I waited for the 21 EMA retest, so I took some longs. I traded the accounts separately, so I'm just logged into NinjaTrader here because it's just easier to see like how much money I made total on the day, and it looks kind of nice, to see green throughout the board. And so yeah, took a bounce play off the 21 EMA. Made some good profit, and then I took a VWAP bounce play on my live account and kept some really nice, really tight stops. And it's something that I've always been talking about, and it was good to execute it and actually work out. And I was like, caught 25 points on one mini. My stop was basically just right below. You know what I mean? I gave it like 10 points, like 200 points, stop, 200 points, no, not 200, sorry, 330 point daily loss limit that I have set on my account. I don't have a, max profit limit, but I do have a daily loss limit set. That is one thing that I changed because you never know how much money you're going to make, but you can always control how much. I mean, the only thing you can control in the markets is how much you're willing to lose, right? So, with that stop, I was able to, get in like, perfectly. And yeah, I had a really nice, like 25 point winner, and it was amazing, smooth, no pressure. I was fully committed to how much I was going to lose. I accepted it, and it was great. And the other accounts, they were also nice. So I made a mistake on my, not a mistake, but, I wasn't paying attention, and I had my copy trade off for initially when I first logged in and I wanted to trade. So I had three minis on, right? But I had the copy trade off, so the three minis were on one account, and I had like $200 profit, on one account, and then the other accounts were at zero. So, I turned on the copy trader, got into another good trade, one trade, $360 on both accounts. So yeah, this one's at $1,000 profit, and the other one's at 800. Well, actually, all my other seven accounts are around $800 profit, which is good. This is my first week on them, or my third day on them, so I still have two more days left. So, gonna close it out strong, hopefully. Not make any dumb decisions. And yeah, and the live account, we talked about that. And then the take profit accounts, I also took similar scalps right around this area after I was done with this trade, right? After I was done with this trade on my live account, I went back to my take profit accounts and I played, basically retests, break and retests of the 21 EMA and, bounce off VWAP plays. So that's all I did. And then, surprise, I also have a brokerage account now, and I'm down like $300, bro. It's kind of dumb, but I'm in a group, our Discord group, which is Options King Trades. So if you guys are looking to trade options, I've been here for a year now, and it's pretty cool in here. It's tight knit. There's not a lot of members. The owner, Options King, okay, we call him okay. He's talking to everyone. He's going back and forth with ideas and stuffs, and he posts plays, that he's in. Nike, KO, Pepsi, all three were got stopped out. So but that's just how it goes, And he what do you call it? He made a little mistake and he owns up to it. He swung these right before PPI, so we didn't know which way the market was gonna go. So you know what I mean. It kind of dumped after PPI a little bit. So that's just how it goes sometimes. But I'm in some plays now. These are all long-term stuff. I don't like day trading options really. I'm going to stick to day trading futures. I know it's more risky, but I just like it more. But yeah, I'm in these. So if you want to like copy it, you can. You can get better entries than I can or than I have. So that's that. I'm down. I'm down like $230, $270. Damn, I'm down like $270 on these, but it's like my long term, so it doesn't really matter. So, and then I lost like another $50 today. So I got 0 DTEs, SPY puts, and the market kind of ran. I got them around here, around 12, and then it ran up, and I was like, fuck. I just got 2 contracts for $70, and I lost like 57%. So I lost like $40 on it. So yeah, overall a pretty good day. Clean. Wasn't I knew it was going to be a good day. CPI brings a lot of good volatility and a good moves. Just perfectly reacts perfectly. You don't really need like an insane strategy. You just need to manage your position size properly. Don't over leverage and just stick to your basic rules, right? Okay, yeah, we touched 21 EMA. Let's put our stop like super tight, maybe VWAP if you want to be super safe, touch right here. That's 54. And then VWAP is at 53. So that's a 40 point stop. So you go to your calculator. I was using this earlier. So I want to leave a 40 point stop with a $330 profit. $330 daily loss limit. And then this calculates it for you, 4 micros you can do. So, it's just stress free, you know what I mean? And, 4 micros, let's say you held it, you had a fib tool or something, and you're trying to see like where you want to take profit. You hold it like to 400 or something. You're just raising your stop, right? 4 micros is 8. So you got in at, let's see how much we got in at. We got in at, let's say 200, right? It goes up to like 400. 200 points, it's like $1,600 right there, You just need to have some conviction holding it, but, we just got, CPI news and the market's pumping and we're breaking, data highs right here. So we can expect a move up, right? So you can play it like that too. I'm preparing like a list of notes for myself of things that I like want to like read to myself every single day, So I need to like, add more stuff to it. For example, one thing that I just randomly remember things about the market, and about like the trades that I take, and I forgot. And see, now I forget, I can't remember it now, but it was something that I wanted to have written down. You know what I mean? So, I know what it was. On like CPI days or like big news events, right? If the market has chosen a direction, okay, find a good place to enter, right? So for example, here or here, and just hold it, and have your stop loss and just hold it no matter what, rather than just, going for $360 and being done for the day. $360 is amazing. My goal is to consistently make $200 on all these accounts every single day. That's just 10 points. 10 points is not that much. Look at the range we're at, 10 points is not that much. But, certain days like this, it's not as risky to hold your positions. We're not just going to fall off a cliff, And worst case scenario, as soon as you, are in profit, right? Put your stop loss like 10, 15 points, above your, entry. So you secure that $200 to $300 and you just let it run. you know? And when you're up big, like, okay, let's say you're up $500, $600, $700 on each of your accounts, boom, take that, you know? Because $200 a day on all these accounts, right? One, two, three, I have 9 accounts. Wait, yeah, I have 9 accounts. That's $1,800 a day. So 1,800 times, so let's say 1,800, and there's, 252 trading days in the year. And let's say, like, 30 of those are like some sort of holidays or something. I don't really know. But let's say 30 of those days are like some sort of holidays, or they end early. And, you're not going to get good movement, right? So let's say you're not trading those days, you still have, or you lose 30 days. Or let's say, yeah, let's just do those days that you're not trading, okay? Let's say you can definitely make 10 points a day, right? So that's 232, right? 30? Yeah, no. 30 is 222. Shit. I'll see, look. 1,800 times 222. That's $399,000 a year. And let's say some of those days you're making like, I don't even know how much I made today. Let's say you're making like just $100, $200 more on days. That's all. It's gonna bump those numbers up. On like big news days like this, like CPI days. There's, I don't know how many. There's like 4 of those a year. Every quarter there's one, so 4 a year. So it's just you just want to capitalize on it, and that's what I was thinking about earlier. That I need to hold more. If I just clicked buy, set my stop loss 15 points, and forgot about it, I would have been up big. You know what I mean? Like this stop wouldn't have even been hit. We would have tested VWAP, and I could have ran throughout the day, and I could have made like 250 points. It's like, like $5,000. You know what I mean? So, yeah, on my live account. So I need to get better at that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's some advice. I just need to be less scared. I've been doing this for a year, and a year is not enough. It's not enough to get that fear out of you. I can tell that for sure. So if you're struggling with the same things, like, don't worry about it, because if you're new, if you're watching, if you're just into futures, like, it's a beast, It's a beast. And I'm trying to be a wild beast of Wall Street. You know what I mean? I want to be a really good trader. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found whatever I said in this video useful. And yeah, don't tilt if you're having a good week. We're halfway there, for a reset that we get as traders on the weekend, not thinking about trading. So, just don't lose the gains that you've made so far. Size properly. Don't over leverage. Don't get tilted. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next recap. All right. Peace out.